Hey guys, eMachine03 here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I've got something interesting. Uh, Today I want to see what happens when you use an aux cord to connect one computer's output to another computer's input. This right here is my really old desktop that the family used to use. I actually made some videos on it. Here's a clip of one right now. Yeah, I don't really think I need to show you any more of that video. They weren't great videos, but they were videos nonetheless. But anyway, this computer, something you wouldn't know from the videos is that it was full of viruses and very slow. So this year, actually last year, I decided to install Linux on it, and that's what I've done. You can see this is not Windows, it's Linux. If I open the terminal, see, and I can do like NeoFetch. Do I have NeoFetch on here? Oh, I don't have NeoFetch. Let's go to screen fetch. That works. Yeah. So there we go. That is the screen fetch. You can see I have Linux, but and so this was a bit of an experience, but I've got it working at this point. And the other computer I've got is, of course, the gaming computer. I've probably shown this before, but this is just a computer I use to make videos now. It is orders of magnitude better than that piece of crap right there. But regardless, we're going to see what happens when we connect them. So in order to do this, I've got an audio file prepared. We've got to go to music, and then we can use MPV to play this. In the spirit of free open source software, I recorded this in Audacity and exported it as an FLAC, which is, I think it's like free lossless audio codec. So then you've got test recording.flac, and we'll hear what it sounds like. This is a test recording recorded with a Blue Yeti microphone on the Dell laptop to try to see how well the audio carries over to the HP gaming computer. So there we go, and then I can load up that command so it plays once I'm ready. But first, actually I think I need to close out Audacity on this computer. So what I'll do is figure this out. I've got that output, the one that's headphones, is actually audio out. And the audio should go through the wire over to this end, which will feed into the one that says, microphone, because it's actually audio in. Unplug this for now. And then get Audacity running. Okay, there we go. Audacity is up. So let's see. We've got the microphone. That seems right. So then I'll set this to record. And then let's go. Get this running. Let's see what's happening. Oh, it's recording something. Oh, it's done. Well, seems like it's recorded something. Let's go on the computer and check it out. Okay, so we're here on the gaming computer now. I've got the recording here. Let's listen to it and see how it sounds. This is a test recording recorded with a Blue Yeti microphone on the Dell laptop to try to see how well the audio carries over to the HP gaming computer. Oh, dang. That sounds significantly worse than I thought it sounded when I first recorded it. In fact, I used a flash drive to bring the sound over to this computer, and this is the original file. Let's listen to it. This is a test recording recorded with a Blue Yeti microphone on the Dell laptop to try to see how well the audio carries over to the HP gaming computer. That's strange. Let's try exporting it and see what happens. Yeah, FLAC. ASMR. Alright, now let's go listen to it. Okay, so this is the export recording. Let's listen to it. This is a test recording recorded with a Blue Yeti microphone. Well, that just sounds just the same. What's going on here? I'm actually genuinely confused. I didn't think there would be this much signal loss. I guess there's some signal loss when you do audio out and in, but that's interesting that you lose that much quality. I wonder, maybe it's like the sound card compresses the... I don't know, like, why would it's either the output from the laptop or the input into the desktop. One of those sound cards, or both of them, must be, like, compressing the quality. But I don't know why you would compress the quality from the audio in or out. Maybe I should test how the headphones sound on the laptop. That might have something to do with it. Okay, so I've got my headphones here plugged into the computer. And I realize I can't really demonstrate to you guys how it sounds, but I'm going to listen to it and do my best to try and judge if the quality's gone down. So, let's go. Got this typed in. Let's get it going. Well, it sounds just as good as it does coming out of the computer speakers, unsurprisingly. So I'm just even more confused. I genuinely thought it would just be this computer because it sucks. So it's got to be like degrading the audio quality. But no, it's neither of those. I guess it must be the gaming computer, but like, why would the computer compress the microphone so much when you're plugging it into your computer? This is so confusing. What is happening here? Is there like signal loss along the aux cord? It's a digital signal though. Why would that happen? This has raised so many more questions than answers. Honestly, I might need to investigate this further, or in all likelihood, just do some research. But I think this has been pretty interesting anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed investigating this problem as well. If you'd like to see me do more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and like this video, but you don't have to. I do all these videos for fun. As always, I'm eMachine03, and I'll see you guys later.